Can we talk about Russian Amber shampoo? I get so many questions. Some people say it doesn't lather. Some people say they don't know how to use it. You know something? This is a very different texture in the shampoo. Russian Amber shampoo has this incredible honey-like texture, but it's not honey. It is literally a cleansing and bond-building shampoo. When the shampoo is warm, it has this gorgeous honey-like consistency. But when it's cold, it almost has a rubbery consistency. It is temperature sensitive. So it's really important that you keep it in a nice, warm and loving place. Not hot, but warm room temperature is optimum. Also, because it is a treatment shampoo, it is not really a cleansing shampoo. So if you're shampooing every 2, 3, 4, 5 days, you want to do a primer. You want to do a peppermint and avocado shampoo first, and then go into it with this. You would literally take your thumb and your index, break off a small piece like this, massage it together, put it right into wet hair, and just start to move in a lathering motion. This will blow into the most gorgeous lather instantly. That's so restorative, loaded with amino acids, liquid hair, strengthening and bond building the hair back to life with love. And the scent is absolutely magical. These formulas are rich and real, and they are an investment in you. And if you're going to make this investment, you give yourself a few minutes and allow your hair to absorb and strengthen before you rinse it out. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think.